DRGEM began with the ambitious dream of a nuclear physics PhD who was the leader in developing the first DR and CT system in South Korea, with the goal of becoming a leading company in the digital radiography industry. Ever since its establishment, DRGEM has broken through what seemed to be impossible with challenge and innovation, creating something out of nothing. Through its unique fusion technology, DRGEM provides the highest diagnostic image quality with minimal X-ray dose. Our commitment to global health and spreading the light of hope has positioned us as leading X-ray manufacturer in the global medical diagnostic sector. Through these efforts, we have achieved remarkable revenue growth, secured a listing on KOSDAQ, maintained transparent business practices, and expanded our workforce with exceptional talent, all of which have elevated the company's value. DRGEM has consistently prioritized customer satisfaction and contribution to society as its foremost values. With forward-thinking and persistent enthusiasm, we have continuously engaged in research and delivered high-quality product development. By integrating cutting-edge IT fusion technology into our products, we have launched X-ray Generator and various X-ray systems, providing rapid and convenient technical support through self-diagnosis and remote assistance features. We are the forefront of the global X-ray manufacturing industry, continually dedicating ourselves to research and development for even greater product quality. As a result, we have demonstrated numerous qualifications to be a leading company in the global diagnostic imaging equipment industry. We strictly analyze and test our products from design to testing, production, and quality assurance to ensure the highest quality product development and manufacturing. As a consequence, we are just about to introduce products of global excellence, enriched with the most advanced state-of-the-art technology. Despite intense competition, DRGEM has formed strong partnerships with global companies in over 120 countries, including the United States, Japan, and Europe, and enhanced its services in technical support and customer communication to ensure accurate and swift problem-solving, thus strengthening trust with its customers. Through the DRGEM service community, real-time service requests can be made from anywhere in the world, offering immediate solutions through self-troubleshooting database and support the enhancement of distributor engineers' skills by offering self-learning videos. Furthermore, we have founded a U.S. subsidiary and established a local training center to deliver real-time customer support to our valued customers in the Americas region. DRGEM, a big name in the worldwide medical market, has constructed the Gimcheon factory to secure enhanced manufacturing capabilities in response to increasing demand. This strategic move anticipates ongoing revenue growth through fast production and delivery. We intensify our leadership in the global market by integrating innovative technology, perfect quality, customer-centric support, fast turnaround times, and competitive pricing. Unstoppable path to becoming the world's #1 X-ray company. 20 years of excellence, together with our exceptional employees and partners, with great anticipation for a brighter future ahead. DRGEM is dedicated to becoming the world's #1 X-ray company, with sustained competitiveness, shaping the future of the world. Celebrating 20 years, envisioning a greater future. DRGEM.